Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Talia and I will be your teacher today. Through this advanced training series, you'll unlock the full potential of Curveseries, empowering you to perform even more insightful and effective data analysis. In this video, you will learn how to use the lead functions to easily plot the forward curve of a time spread. This is a very powerful tool for the quick visualization of a market structure. Curveseries is created by traders for traders, and we understand the time spread of forward curves is crucial for interpreting the intermonth supply-demand dynamic and potential market expectations so as to develop appropriate trading strategies. Let's begin by selecting Download Curve on our Excel add-in. From here, we can select the product that we want from the database folders. In this case, let's take a look at Dubai swaps. Double-click on the Dubai swap contract, and you'll see the ticker appear on the right, representing the outright forward curve of the Dubai swap contract. To calculate the time spread, first create a duplicate of the Dubai swap curve. Simply copy the original equation using Ctrl-C, then paste it with Ctrl-V. Once the duplicated curve appears, right-click on it and select Edit Equation. This opens the formula editor where you will make adjustments to calculate the time spread using the lead function. On the left, select the Functions tab, and you will see the lead function. On the equation on the right, click and type in minus, then double-click on the lead function on the left. Alternatively, you can simply type in lead into the equation. Include the open bracket before the ticker and a comma at the end of the ticker. Type in 1 if you want to lead the data by a month, followed by a close bracket. It is important to ensure that the parentheses and commas are proper for the equation to work. Once done, click on Save. Click on Refresh Download, and you will get the respective forward curve time spread for Dubai swaps. Since you have already charted the Dubai forward curve time spread in Excel, you can easily bring it into Curveseries desktop platform. Simply copy the same time spread equation using Ctrl-C. Next, log into Curveseries, go to your Dashboard tab, and click New, followed by Historical Chart. On the right, right-click and select Add Equation, then choose Curve and paste the equation using Ctrl-V. Using time spreads like this allows you to look past spot prices and uncover the market forces shaping futures contracts. This strategy provides a clearer view of price behavior and potential opportunities. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know that Curveseries also allows you to interpolate, as well as fill forward and fill backward, so you can fill each missing date with values? If not, check out more of our advanced tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. We are always here to assist you. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.